Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So I'm currently in the kitchen. I'm about to start doing some dishes, my kitchen. I wish I could say that this was not normal, but unfortunately this is what it usually looks like. Just chaos all the time. You may remember from my last vlog, but we are super overwhelmed and busy this week because we're going to Ohio next week. And so it's like a race to get everything done all at once, basically. So I'm gonna do a quick sweep of the kitchen. I have some editing to do today. I've got a therapy appointment, and also I'm going to film my weaning video for you guys, my first one at least. So lots to do. Let's get into it. While I'm over here, I wanted to show you guys these baby cabinet closers that we've been using lately. Baby cabinet closers, I don't even know what I'm talking about, but they're a baby proofing tool. So see how you cannot pull on them? This one you can open a little bit because I gotta move it, but can't pull on this at all. Arlo loves to go in these cabinets under the sink, but these ones are magnets, and it like unlocks it with the magnet like that, and then he can't get into any of this stuff. So I wanted to show you guys because at our last place we used the kind that would like stick over like this, and it completely ruined our cabinets. And if you are renting like us, you know that is a no-go. Our landlord at the time was not happy when we moved out. So yeah, this place we got these magnet ones, and they're game changing. So just wanted to give a little shout out there in case you are in the market to baby proof but you are renting like us. And if you saw my nail, this is also something we are going to go get fixed today. All right, so it's a couple hours later now. I actually just got out of my weekly therapy, and then I went upstairs and I recorded a few stories for our brand, and now I'm in the kitchen and I am hitting that like 2:30 feeling. It's 2:08, so that makes sense. Normally I like to have a second cup of coffee like midway through the morning or early afternoon, so this is actually a little late for me, but I am due for a second cup. So I'm gonna make some coffee now. I actually have this new coffee company that I'm showing you guys today. So as I go in for this second cup of coffee, I just wanna thank Cometeer for working with me. Whoa. Okay, so as I go in for the second cup of coffee, I just wanna thank Cometeer for working with me on this video. Thanks to them for sponsoring this video. So Cometeer is unlike any other coffee on the market. There's actually nothing else like it that exists. They offer delicious pour over coffee, but in these handy dandy little capsules that you actually freeze. And so it's super, super fresh. You can make hot coffee with it. You can make iced coffee with it. I'm doing iced today. If you want to do hot coffee, all you have to do is take the little frozen coffee cube. It's kind of like an ice cube looking thing. Take the frozen coffee cube from inside and just pour hot water over it. Or you can pour hot milk over it and do a latte. It's that easy. It's like literally one step. I actually melted this, so it's a liquid in there, and then you just pour this over either milk or water to get either iced coffee or an iced latte too. So there's so many things you can do with it. They actually have some recipes for some really yummy looking desserts and martinis that you can make with them. So I think we're gonna have to do those. Cometeer has a bunch of different roasts from the best roasters. They even have decaf if you are somebody who wants the taste but doesn't want the caffeine. These two have become my favorite. So what's really cool is that each coffee will tell you its origin too. So I can see that Fast Forward has an origin of Colombia and Golondrina. And then this one, Santa Ynez, has a Santa Ynez and Brazil origin. It also will tell you the notes. This one has a chocolate, nuts, and fruit tasting note. So similar to wine, each coffee will actually have hints that are brought out by the roasting process, and then they're magnified by Cometeer's own brewing process too, which is really cool. Right now, Cometeer isn't even open to the public market, so this is super exclusive, but if you use my link in the description box, you can bypass the waitlist completely, and you will get 50% off of your first purchase, which brings it down to $1 a cup, which for me is a really great deal, or a really big deal, because we tend to be coffee shop addicts. Like, it's just part of our routine when we're running out, but it gets so expensive. When we look at our bills and our budget and what we spend every month running to the coffee shop, it's insane. So something like this that is so easy to use at home, it feels really luxurious, but it's actually really affordable. That's the perfect situation, right? Wanna try it?
Yeah.
Husband taste test.
That's good. That's like a real coffee taste. That's good.
Yeah.
I like that.
Okay.
I might not get that back.
You are aired online. I can't. This is live. What if
What if it was Facebook and LinkedIn Live?
This is so good though. It actually tastes like. This is so good though. It actually tastes like a coffee I would get from the coffee shop. So
You don't have to leave the house.
you don't have to leave the house at all. Cheers. So I have a nail appointment in like 40 minutes to go get this nail fixed that broke this morning. But real quick, I'm going to get a workout in. I'm in the garage, and I haven't really worked out like all week because of my microblading. Because when you get your brows done, you can't like excessively sweat for 10 days. It's so hard for me because I love excessively sweating. Like I really love getting in a hard workout and sweating a ton, and I'm not able to right now. So I'm just going to do a little something. I just need to feel like I'm moving my body a little bit, you know? Alright, so I'm headed to my nail appointment now, just looking for parking. I was just thinking this morning too how my nails were in pretty good shape, and if I took care of them, I probably wouldn't need to get them done at all before we left for our trip next week. And then it's like joke's on me, of course, because I said that. Then the universe wants to go and break my nail. So I'm outside the nail place now. And I'm still kind of undecided what I'm going to do because I like the design I had, but I have a couple ideas. So let's head out. So here's the before. We need some work. All right, and here's my new nails. So not exactly actually what I was going for. They're actually completely different than the picture I showed, but I'm too tired to really care, and at least they're not broken anymore. So there's that. All right. The boys are all back home now. Jordan went and got the kiddos from school, so they're waiting for me. So I'm going to go see them and squeeze them, and then we'll make some dinner.
Crazy boy.
So Arlo just got done eating good, snacking good, if you can't tell. What are you eating, Bubby? You want some water? So Christian came home from school, what was it, yesterday or the day before he was talking about? And a girl at school asked Christian to chase her. And then Christian did chase her. And then he caught her and tagged her with his finger, he said. But he said she asked him to chase her. And she didn't chase him. So today I sent Christian to school in this shirt. What does your shirt say?
Dino.
Dinos?
I think Mom tricked you.
I'm over here trying to finish laundry now. And this sloppy little man. Arlo, can I have a kiss? Mwah. 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 Mwah.